Today, we got some exciting news from Samsung that's sure to get all you tech enthusiasts buzzing. The Galaxy Z Flip 6, along with the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra, have just been certified by the NBTC. Let's dive right into the details. First up, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. This clamshell foldable phone features 5G connectivity and comes with the model number SMF741B. The NBTC certification confirms some key specs: 25-watt charging, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. However, there's no UWB support this time around. Interestingly, the Z Flip 6 is expected to be pricier than its predecessor, the Z Flip 5. Let's talk specs. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will sport a 6.7-inch dynamic 8-OLED 2X folding screen with a 1080x2640 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. On the outside, there's a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED cover display with a 720x748 resolution. Powering this beauty is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, paired with either 256GB or 512GB of storage. Camera-wise, the main shooter is a 50-megapixel unit with an f/1.8 aperture, which is likely the same sensor used in the Galaxy S24 series and the Z Fold 5. The ultra-wide camera remains unchanged from the Flip 5 at 12 megapixel. For selfies, you get a 10 megapixel front camera, the same as last year's model. In terms of connectivity, the Flip 6 supports Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB 3.2 Gen 1. It also boasts 14 5G bands. The device measures 165.1 x 71.9 x 6.9 millimeters when unfolded and weighs 187 grams, identical to the Flip 5. But here's the kicker: it packs a bigger 4000 mAh battery. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to be $100 more expensive than the Flip 5. With all these upgrades, it's up to you to decide if the price hike is justified. The Flip 6, along with the Fold 6, Watch 7, and Watch Ultra, will likely be unveiled at Samsung's next Unpacked event, rumored for July 10. And let's not forget, the Galaxy Ring might finally make its full debut at the same event. Now, let's move on to the wearables. The NBTC has certified 3 upcoming Samsung watches: the Galaxy Watch 7 in 2 sizes and the new Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes in a 40mm version, model number SML305F, and a 44mm version, model number SML350F. These are the LTE-enabled models, ready to keep you connected on the go. Then we have the Galaxy Watch Ultra, model number SML705F. Notice how there's no 7 in the name, just Watch Ultra. This naming convention is similar to the new Galaxy Watch FE, which also skips the number. It's interesting to see how Samsung is naming its latest models. Another notable change is in the model numbers. Previously, Samsung used an R in the model numbers for its watches, like the 40mm Galaxy Watch 6 being SMR940. Now, they're using an L. While this might not mean much in practice, it's a curious shift. Here's a quick look at the NBTC certifications for all these devices: the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the Galaxy Watch 7 in both 40mm and 44mm sizes, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So there you have it. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 with its impressive specs and the upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra are set to make waves. Are you excited about these new devices? Let us know in the comments below which one you're most looking forward to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Reliable source Ice Universe spilled the beans on Weibo, a Chinese social media platform. According to them, Samsung is working on a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, not an Ultra variant. Apparently, the name speaks for itself. The Fold 6 Slim won't boast top-of-the-line specs compared to a potential Fold 6. Instead, it's all about portability and a sleek, thin design. But wait, there's more. Ice Universe assures us there won't be any downgrades with the Slim. However, don't expect groundbreaking upgrades either. Here's the catch: to achieve that slim profile, Samsung might have made a significant sacrifice: no S Pen support. That's right, S Pen fans, you might be bummed. The Fold 6 Slim reportedly won't be compatible with the S Pen due to the lack of a digitizer, a component needed for pen input on the foldable screen. So the Fold 6 Slim might be a bit of a letdown for those who love using the S Pen. But here's the shocker: despite the lack of upgrades and S Pen support, rumors suggest the Slim will cost more than the standard Fold 6. That's a bold move by Samsung. Hold on, there's another twist. According to previous reports, the Fold 6 Slim won't be launching alongside the regular Fold 6 at the upcoming event. Now let's talk about the other side of the rumor mill. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Curly leaks suggested an Ultra version, but it seems that might actually be the Fold 6 Slim under a different name. Ross Young, another tech leak source, reported that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra or Slim, whatever you want to call it, might be priced similarly to the standard Fold 6, around $1,800. This is surprising, considering some anticipated a price tag over $2,000. Here's the plot twist again. Just like the Slim, the Z Fold 6 Ultra won't support the S Pen either. Ross Young suggests Samsung remove the digitizer from this model as well. Without the digitizer, the Z Fold 6 Ultra loses S Pen functionality altogether. It also likely won't have a dedicated slot for the pen. This is confusing because the Ultra variant is supposed to be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Young also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.